Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation, we're going to take a look at the Master Service Agreement, MSA, and the Non-Disclosure Agreement, NDA. Both of these documents are pretty self-explanatory, so this is going to be a rather short presentation. So let's go ahead and get started. The Master Service Agreement defines the terms that organizations will use for future work, makes ongoing engagements and the statement of works much easier to work through. Overall, MSA is referred to in the statement of work. Prevents the need to renegotiate terms. Common when organizations anticipate working together or when a support contract is created. The non-disclosure agreement ensures confidentiality between the pen testing organization and the client. This is part of the legal documents that help to enforce confidential relationships between two parties. This protects one or more parties in the relationship, what information should be considered confidential, and how long that agreement lasts, when and how disclosure is acceptable, and how confidential information should be handled. Anyone exposed to project management will recognize these documents as being very similar to the same documents that you run across when putting together a project management team or a project in general. The Master Service Agreement, the Non-Disclosure Agreement, the Scoping Engagement Document, the Statement of Work, these are all documents that are part of project management. And so in this short video presentation, you got to have a short introduction to the Master Service Agreement and the Non-Disclosure Agreement, NDA. I'm Professor K, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.